The role of carbohydrates in recovery.
Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy during exercise. After an intense workout, your muscle glycogen, the stored form of carbohydrate, is depleted. Replenishing glycogen is essential for muscle repair and preparing your body for your next workout. Using carbs effectively in your recovery routine helps speed up this process and reduces fatigue.
Best types of carbohydrates for recovery.
Not all carbs are created equal when it comes to recovery. Simple carbohydrates like white rice, potatoes, and fruit are quickly digested and rapidly restore glycogen. Combining these with a moderate amount of protein further enhances muscle repair. Complex carbohydrates like whole grains are better for long-term energy, but for immediate recovery, focus on faster absorbing carbs.
Optimal timing for carb intake.
Timing matters for carbohydrate intake after exercise. Aim to consume carbs within 30 to 60 minutes after finishing your workout. This is when your muscles are most ready to absorb and store glycogen. Missing this window can slow down recovery, making it harder to perform in your next session.
How much carbohydrate do you need?
For most people, about 1 to 1.2 grams of carbohydrate per kilogram of body weight is recommended in the first hour after exercise. This amount maximizes glycogen restoration, especially for those training multiple times a day. Adjust your intake based on workout intensity and personal goals. But remember that both too little and too much can impact recovery.
Combining carbs with protein.
Pairing carbohydrates with protein can further enhance recovery by promoting muscle repair and reducing soreness. A simple guideline is to consume a ratio of about 3 parts carbohydrate to 1 part protein after your workout. Examples include a fruit smoothie with yogurt or a turkey sandwich on white bread. This balanced approach supports both energy and muscle health.